Since the cost of lumber is going through the roof these days, Don and I decide to try our luck with a Granberg Chainsaw Mill and make our own wood for projects. Follow along on this extra episode of Home North. We left our home in the city and moved to the country. Here, on 160 acres of land, we made our homestead. This is our story. Okay. So, one Granberg Chainsaw Mill, model G777. Let's see. So, assembly instructions.
Is that your magnifying glass?
Nope. What's that? Well, I had it bang on.
Oh, very nice.
Yep, look at that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Right in the middle?
Yeah. Well, it looks exactly like the picture. See? It's all matches.
Okay.
So I'm
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go with so. So there you can see that like a longer chainsaw bar would actually go past this end. You tighten these up to the 10 foot-pounds.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, so...
Okay. Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Yep.
Easy.
Works just fine.
Okay. And sideways? Well, it should.
Well, of course it will. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Well, next step is, of course, to try it and see if we can make our own lumber.
All right. Let's get out there and give it a shot.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay.
There we go. Ta-da!
Aha! You made a board.
Ooh, a lot of sawdust. But, as you can see, we made a board.
Well, first one.
The cuts we made were with a cross-cut chain, and it wasn't really very effective to use that for cutting. What we needed was a rip cut chain, and that's something we're going to look into because as it stands now, this method of cutting would be very labor intensive and we wouldn't get a lot of boards out of it. So we're going to have to do more research on that.
If you haven't subscribed already, what on earth are you waiting for?